Hi, Goddess of Here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, anong meron sa inyo today? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo ng iyong person, no? In separation man or with connection pa, no? So, and then, of course, message or advice ni universe for you, no? Air signs, no? So, yeah. Let's see anong meron sitwasyon sa inyo ng iyong person, no? Right now. So, kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards for you, air signs, no? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, yeah. Kuha tayo. So, ano kayang meron sa mga air signs, no? Sa kanilang mga relationship. Anong sitwasyon meron sa relationship niyo right now, air signs? So, parang ayaw magpakuha ng mga cards niyo, air signs, ha? So, tignan natin. Anong sitwasyon meron ng mga air signs? So, first card pa lang, red flag na agad, no? So, yeah. So, you have this sex workers fun, no? For some of you air signs, no? Maybe ay, eto nga, no? Medyo siguro nagkaroon ng medyo conflict ang relationship right na, no? Or, maybe in separation na kayo with this person because of this, no? Na-discover nyo itong he or she is, is involved with the sex workers, right? No? Nagbo-book or maybe for some of you, if babae is, di ba, alam niyo na. So, tingnan pa natin. What else, no? But then, you have this, no? Kiss you, no? So, sabi, kiss you. So, maybe ang person mo is, kung sino lang makaka-resonate dito, air signs, no? Maybe mahilig mag-kiss, no? Something like that. May, clingy siya na person, no? So, but then, yung pala ay, behind your back is may ginagawa pala siyang di maganda, right? So, maybe ay, nang uuto lang ito, no? Panay kiss, panay something, no? Sweet, but then, yung pala ay, may something, no? So, for some of you lang. And then, so, yeah, no? I think meron ng separation, no? Between the two of you, no? So, you have this, you deserve someone better letting you go. So, yun nga, no, may separation na nangyari sa inyo ng iyong person. So, take what's resonate lang for you, air signs, no? So, yeah, because, there are third parties involved, no, right, no? So, and for some is yun nga ay nalaman nyo, mahilig siyang mag-book ng mga sex workers, no? Or kung babae nga, na, di ba? So, vice versa lang naman to, right, no? So, yeah, that's it, no? So, at least if, yun nga, siguro talagang hindi kayo magkasundo ng person na iyon, no? So, maybe ay paulit-ulit lang yung pangyayari sa inyo, no? Magaling siya, sweet talker siya, clingy na person, but then, behind your back is, yun nga, no? There is something going on, no? With that person, and you discovered that, no? So, you both decided na rin siguro dahil baka sobrang conflict na rin ng inyong relationship, lagi nag-aaway, something like that, no? So, hindi na rin talaga healthy, no? So, maybe both of you agreed to have this separation, right? No? So, yeah. Maybe that's the good decision the two of you did, no? So, because I think if you still if you still dealing with that person or 'di ba hindi na talaga healthy, right, no? Kasi I hope no children involved, no, but then if there is, no, so mas mahirap to separate with that person, no, with the person na may mga, kasi may addiction na rin ang tawag sa mga ganun na hindi nila maiwasan ang like, sex addiction, right? No? So, medyo mabigat yung ganun kasi syempre for us with partners, no, dapat sa'yo lang, right? But then, lalo na pag multiple partners pa is involved with that person, right, na you are with, no? So, mas masakit, right? No? So, hindi yun healthy for you or vice versa tayo, no? So, hindi yun healthy for the person na involved, no? So, kasi, syempre, malaking effect yun. So, maganda na rin yung nag-separate na rin kayo both or if not, or yeah, if you are still with this relationship, no, so I hope makapag-decide ka na rin, no, or signs na umalis na kayo sa ganitong relationship because it's really hard and it's really hurtful, no, so wala kang peace of mind kapag ganito kasi hindi mo alam parang sobrang toxic na kapag ganito ang person, right? Kasi hindi ka na makakatulog rito mostly dahil isip ka ng isip kahit nga minsan kasi ako naranasan ko yan kumbaga until raw nararanasan ko nagkakaroon ka ng trauma, right? Kasi nga parang feeling mo lahat ng makakasalubong mong babae is lahat yun ay naging ng iyong partner sa lahat ng mga motel, hotel ay something na puwedeng naiisip mo baka nag-check-in sila, something like that 'no. So, kasi ang hirap 'di ba? So, for you to have this peace of mind, earth signs, for me, what I can advise to you is to finally get out of that situation, of that relationship, right? Kasi, mental health is ang maaapektuhan talaga rito, earth signs 'no. So, yeah, so I hope na wala naman talaga na may ganitong relationship 'no, or even na kahit ano man 'yan, hindi man sex workers ang involved, but then if there is a third party situation with your relationship, hindi healthy 'yun, right? Because if you are with somebody, you are in a relationship that dapat dalawa lang kayo, hindi tatlo, hindi apat, or more, right? Because what's being in a relationship if you want to hook up with others, right? So, yeah, di ba? So, that doesn't make sense, right? So, dapat hindi ka nakikipagrelasyon or you are not committing to a person if you want others, right? If you are still seeking for others, right? No? If you are not contented with your partner, better to separate ASAP, right? Hindi yung patatagalin mo pa or hayaan mo lang yung relationship mo while you are hooking up with others, right? No? So yeah, 'di ba? Kasi makakasakit ka pa ng kapwa mo, right? So kung halimbawa ikaw or kung sino man sa inyo diyan na you are still seeking, you are not contented with your partner right now, whoever you are with, no? So maybe hindi mo siya mahal, right? So, better to separate with that person kaysa naman masaktan mo siya and then you are still and you are with somebody else's, no? Hooking up with them and then your partner is waiting for you in dun sa bahay nyo, no? Ikikiss mo siya with after you done with the person's outsides 'di ba, outside the relationship. So, ang pangit naman, right, 'no? So yan, ayun lang yung masasabi ko rito, no, earth signs, no, medyo napahaba yung ating, um, because siyempre, masakit kasi talaga, right, no? So, yeah, tignan naman natin anong message for you ni universe, earth signs, no? So, tignan natin anong message or advice for you ni universe, no? So, kuha tayo ng two cards for here, no? Two, kay, two, two cards for you, earth signs, right? No? So, hindi na natin kukunin to kasi nakaano to Hindi na, so kuha tayo dito ng two cards for you. Ano kayang message or advice for you, no? ni universe maybe may kinalaman dun sa iyong situation with your person, right? Or pwede rin namang sa whatever, sa iyong career, maybe, no? Or immediate family, no? So, tignan natin anong message for you or advice. So, you have this lady with a, ano to, what is this? With a bush, ego, or ancient wisdom, no? So, tingnan muna natin what else. And also, candy cane angel, or it's time for a treat, no? So, for some of you, air signs, no? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, with this, it's time for a treat, no? So, for some of you, kasi nga, kung makikita mo ay, di ba, you are so depressed right now, no? For some of you, maybe, ang ina-advise sa'yo dito ni universe ng ating God is, take some rest. Take some time for yourself, treat yourself, maybe lumabas ka, have vacation na on your own, no? Time to connect with yourself, no? So, kasi nga, may pinagdadaanan ka right now, no? So, maybe it's time for you to go out, no? Just for a while, no? Ikaw lang mag-isa, kung saan mo gustong pumunta. If Siyempre, kung may budget tayo, why not, di ba? Punta tayo sa somewhere else na maybe walang nakakilala sa atin, right? No? So, pwede tayong mag-adventure, no? Something like that, para naman makalm mo naman yung sarili mo, to ease the pain, no? For a while. And then, makapag-isip-isip ka ng mas maayos, no? For being alone, no? So, yeah, maybe you need time for yourself alone, no? Alone time, no? So, ayun ang sinasabi sa'yo ni universe. And with the other card is with the ancient wisdom, no? So, with this, earth signs, no? So, maybe, kumbaga, alamin mo sa sarili mo, ano yung mas magpapabuti sa'yo, no? With the ancient is wisdom is it is ano kumbaga the universe is wants you to have this courage sa iyong sarili, no? Na to have wisdom in yourself, no? Maybe parang kasi you are very down, no? At this moment, no? You are desperate, you are having this depression, anxiety, right? No? So, medyo negativity talaga yung pumapasok sa'yo right now. But with this ancient wisdom, I think is, you must, be optimistic, no? So, kahit na alam mo sa sarili mong medyo masakit, mabigat yung pinagdadaanan mo right now, be optimistic lang, be positive, no? So, maybe magbasa-basa ka ng mga libro, something like that. Ako, ang mas nakaka-relieve sa akin sometimes, lalo na kasi ngayon, medyo syempre may edad na rin tayo, hindi ko na siya nagagawa, but then before, alam niyo mga air signs ang nakaka-relieve sa akin. Even though na hindi naman tungkol sa heartache kasi yung mga problems ko, that maybe dahil nung bata pa ako, until nung mag-college ako, kasi more on studies lang din talaga ako, medyo focused before kasi ganun. So, mahilig akong pag medyo ang problem ko is sa studies, minsan hindi ko nasasagutan yung mga exams ko ng maayos, something like that. Pag minsan ganun is, nagsusulat ako ng mga tula, something like that. So, nakaka-relieve yun sa akin, no? So maybe ganun din kayo, no? Ilabas niyo yung inner wisdom nyo, no? Something like that, no? So, ito yung sinasabi sa inyo ni universe, mga earth signs, no? Ilabas niyo yung inner wisdom nyo, no? kumbaga ancient wisdom is ibig sabihin nun yung wisdom nyo within yourself, no, na nandiyan na matagal na. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung positive side nyo na matagal na talagang nasa inyo na yan eh. 'Di ba? Ilabas niyo lang, something like that. So, parang sinasabi ko, katulad ng sinasabi ko kanina na pag ako ay in despair, no, nagsusulat ako ng mga tula, something like that, no. So, maybe kayo, meron din kayong ganyan, no, something like that. Kung ano yung mga nagpapasaya sa inyo na ano, na nung bata pa kayo, no? Ancient wisdom din masasabi natin yun kasi nagkakaroon kayo ng motivation, nagiging masaya kayo kapag ginagawa niyo yung mga bagay na yun. So maybe, time for reflection or get back in your inner child, no? For some of you, earth signs, no? So maybe, kung alimbawa nga kasi you are in despair, no? Right now, para makatulong din sa inyo, balikan niyo yung mga nagpapasaya sa inyo ng mga bata kayo. Maybe, kung, di ba, before ako din, di ba, mahilig tayo yung, I don't know, kung some of you, ginagawa din to, no? So, yung mga boxes ng, sapatos, no? So, gumagawa ako ng mga bahay-bahayan doon, no? Sa mga karton, nagagawa ako ng TV, sofa, something like that, ginagawa akong dollhouse yung box ng sapatos, right? No? So, parang masaya lang din. Why not bring back those memories of you sa childhood mo and then bring it back right now in this present moment? If you have kids, no, why not share those memories of your childhood sa iyong kids, right? No, so maybe mas makakatulong yon to relieve yourself, no, something like that. Or if you have, 'di ba, kung may mga pamangkin kayong bata, if you still are single, no? So, kung ito nga ay nakakaranas kayo ng mga, ibalik niyo lang kung ano yung mga nagpapasaya sa inyo dati. That's your inner wisdom, right? No? So, ayun yung pagkakaintindi ko dito sa sinasabi ni universe sa inyo, ni God sa inyo, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga earth signs, no? So, I hope may naka-resonate dito sa atin, no? Right? So, yeah, wag lang kasi, kumbaga, if you are in despair, if you are confusion, no, in your mind, no, so talk with God, no, kay God, no, so magdasal kayo, kausapin niyo siya, hingi kayo ng guidance, no, signs na kung anong bibigyan niya kayo. I'm sure with that, no, so kasi ganun din ang ginagawa ko madalas, most of the time, every day, no, so lagi akong humihingi ng signs kay God kung ito ba ay tama, ito ba ay mali, something like that. But then, akala ka lang kasi ng iba is hindi yun nangyayari or hindi yun totoo. But then, trust me, trust yourself, no? And of course, trust God, no? With everything, and He will guide you in the right path, no? Earth signs, no? So, yeah, that's it for you, earth signs, no? I hope na meron kayong mga nakuwang guidance here, no? So, yeah. Thank you for watching, mga earth signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, and God bless you all, no? So, yeah. Thank you, earth signs.